This Ashthorpe 61-key digital electronic keyboard piano is presented as an excellent instrument for players of all levels, though it's particularly highlighted as ideal for those just starting their musical journey. It's designed to make learning accessible, featuring an educational 3-step lesson mode and easy-to-follow functions. To further assist beginners, the kit thoughtfully includes keynote stickers for the 61 keys, helping new players quickly identify notes and practice playing. Moving on to the sound, the Ashthorpe keyboard offers what's described as phenomenal sound quality through its built-in speakers. It provides a vast palette of musical options with 300 rhythms and 300 timbres. Users can explore 21 demonstration songs, utilize 5 different voices, and incorporate various percussion and bass sound effect chords. A built-in metronome function is also included, which is essential for practicing timing and rhythm. A great feature for private practice is the headphone jack. Plugging in headphones automatically mutes the speakers, allowing users to play without disturbing others. The keyboard features a multifunctional LED screen, which is useful for tracking progress and navigating the various settings. It comes equipped with a rhythm programmer, offering extensive versatility for composing. Users can control their music creation with various rhythm functions, numerous options for effects, a split mode for playing different sounds on different parts of the keyboard, and a record and playback programming feature, enabling users to capture and listen back to their compositions. Portability is another key aspect of this Ashthorpe keyboard. Its compact design makes it easy to transport, allowing users to take their music sessions on the go. It offers flexible power options. It can be powered wirelessly using 6 AA batteries, not included. For true portability or for longer continuous use, it can be plugged into an outlet using the included power adapter. Finally, this product is offered as a complete keyboard bundle, meaning it includes everything a beginner needs to get started right away. The keyboard itself features integrated output jacks for headphones and audio input, plus a microphone jack. The comprehensive kit includes a music stand to hold sheet music, a pair of foldable headphones for private practice, a microphone for singing along or vocal effects, the necessary power adapter, and the black and white keynote stickers mentioned earlier. It's designed to be a ready-to-use package straight out of the box.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.